to be approached. Zero TikTok views could mean a lot of things, but one thing it definitely means is there's something wrong with your page or the content you're posting. Today we're going to talk about the issues you may be facing, what you might be doing wrong, and way to fix it. TikTok's algorithm pushes out new videos to a wide range of audiences to get a feel for the type of audience might like it. Low views can be expected, but zero means that whatever is wrong is drastically affecting your page and content. Here are 6 reasons why this might be happening. Before we start off though, I'd say if zero views is a concern, one thing is almost certain: if it's more than 2 days old, your IP would have been shadow banned. So I recommend having a VPN, then restarting your TikTok, uploading from scratch while avoiding the next few problems the second time around. I usually use NordVPN or ExpressVPN, so I'll leave a link in the pinned comment with a discount code on it. Reason number 1, it's too early. This is the most common reason, and it's that your page isn't verified yet. There's been a new update to TikTok where your page technically isn't available to you when you first make it. It takes about 1 to 2 days before your page is verified, and you can go and use it freely. No idea why they're doing this, but my best guess is the tsunami of bots posting crap content might be pushing them to respond and find a way to limit these. So if your page is new, don't panic just yet. Post consistently and check back in 1-2 days after your starting point. How do you check if this is the reason? Use the page that's getting 0 views and try to follow people. If this really is the issues by the time you click off that page and return to it, then it will no longer say you're following them. The only solution for this is patience, and you can check back in every day to see if you're actually allowed to follow people now. Reason number 2, IP banned or device banned. Yes, TikTok does ban your IP address and device. Luckily for us, there is an easy way to bypass this. First off, just get a really high quality VPN with IP addresses that haven't been rinsed. I highly recommend getting NordVPN because of its fast speed and its super high quality. Or you can also use ExpressVPN, which has also produced great results for me as well. And I have had many of my accounts go viral while using these VPNs, so it does in fact work. Also, if your device is an issue, then I highly recommend trying out District Droid. This will allow you to rent a completely new iPhone, and it comes with a new IP and SIM card, which are from the USA. You can try it out, link in the pinned comment below as well. And also the VPNs with discounts will be in pinned comment down below as well. Reason number 3, trash quality. This has to do with the actual visual quality of the video. Things like pixelation, low resolution, the image is too dark or too bright to be seen clearly. You'll rarely see videos that look like they've been recorded on a vintage microwave doing numbers on the For You page, and TikTok is well aware of that. Try to up your quality as best as you can. Reason number 4, reposting content, whether it's from other TikTok pages, Instagram pages, or YouTube shorts. A lot of the time, TikTok's algorithm can pick up the fact that these are low effort reposts and will decide not to push your content because it's stolen and people don't want to see content from their favorite creators completely ripped off. If I have to tell you the way to fix this, maybe social media isn't for you. If you're already flagged as a reposter though, TikTok might put all your content in that bucket regardless, so a VPN would help in this case too. Moving on to the next reason, number 5. Forbidden words. Certain words, phrases, or hashtags can cause your video to be flagged by TikTok as being inappropriate or even harmful. Certain subjects such as finance and religion have to be approached carefully, if at all. Controversial figures like Andrew Tate or Donald Trump can also cause this flagging of content, so double check if any of that might be mixed into your content. Reason? No. 6. The dreaded shadow ban. This is actually the most talked about but least likely possibility of happening. The vast majority of times it would be any of the first 5. Some things can make this more likely though, such as doing a combination of all 5 of these consistently. This will cause TikTok to see your page as a problem, and instead of confronting you, they'll just tuck you away from the sight of others to keep their app more to their liking. Unfortunately, there are no real indicators of this, as TikTok will never actually let you know, hence the term shadow ban. It just happens one day. There's no perfect way to tell, but if you go to your analytics and less than 20% of your views are from the For You page, there's a higher likelihood that you have actually been shadow banned. One video might be bad, but if you see this trend on every video you post, especially after you suspect a shadow ban, then it's all but certain. The last possible indication is a sudden drop in overall average views. If you haven't changed your content much and you suddenly drop from 10,000 views to 1,000 or even less than that, then this is another indicator. If you check more than one of these boxes consistently, then you can assume you may have actually been shadow banned. Well, now we know how to check, but how do you fix a shadow ban? How to fix a shadow ban? First off, you want to keep posting. Don't give TikTok any more reason to stop promoting your content. Sometimes the best way to deal with a shadow ban is to wait it out. This is be a given, but also avoid doing the things that could have led to your shadow ban in the first place. Also, it may sound counterintuitive, but if you're in the Creator Fund program, I would suggest leaving it and seeing if that affects your views at all. If nothing has helped, try a VPN. It's likely your page is flagged, and so is your IP address. Once you have your VPN on, try posting again. This will reset your place in the algorithm and give your channel a second chance of life. I'd recommend NordVPN or ExpressVPN since those are the two I've come to know the most for everyday use. You can check the description for a discount code. With this method though, you'll need a new SIM as well. If you want a simpler version, you can use District Droid, also linked in the description as an all-in-one service. This would really just be up to personal preference and resources. Well, that's it for me. I hope it helped and drop a like if it did. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.